Hey YouTube, it's your girl Imani, and today I'm going to be making a tribute to Whitney Houston and singing I Will Always Love You. So here it goes. If I should say I will only be in your way, but I'll go. But I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. But darling, you, bittersweet memory. That is all I'm taking with me. So don't cry, please don't cry. We both know this is what you need, and I will always love you. Will always love